Today we will learn about multiple reflection phenomena. We know that when an object is placed in front of a single mirror, then one image is formed. If we place an object at bisector of two mirrors which are placed at different angles, the number of images formed will depend upon the angle between the two mirrors. For example, if two mirrors are at 120-degree angle, then two images will be formed. If two mirrors are at 90-degree angle, then three images will form. If two mirrors are at 60-degree angle, then five images will be formed. The general formula for number of images formed when object is placed at bisector of two mirrors at an angle theta is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. Now tell me, if two mirrors are at 0 degree to each other, then how many images will be formed? Answer in comment section. Thank you very much.